Hello! Hi, Tebesi! We're going to?
Ondong.
Yes, we're gonna go on dong. Mag-exercise.
Kami tuwing tanghali.
Yes.
Anong oras na ngayon?
12, past 12 na. Past 12. Walking.
Under the heat of the sun.
Oh, under the heat of the sun daw.
Yes.
Init good siya. As in,
It's
okay
very
lang.
hot.
It's very hot.
Then yesterday it's very cold.
Dito, no?
And today is
Walking time. Since I'm here in JUC, then mag-walking. Tato sa akong favorite park.
parking.
Wato ta sa akong favorite park nga. Atong nako dire everyday na ako dito galaag. Ga walking. So we're going there. Si Bessie? Nanta na to yung outfit, Macy. Turn around. Turn around first. Turn around. Yes. So that's Ate Bessie.
Hindi ko na nararamdam yung init ba?
Dito tagi.
Masyado kasing pangat doon.
Oo. Di rin po kagian yun. Basta papunta ko sa park.
Tingnan mo yung yung road.